Hello everyone. I'm very happy, and as you can see, I'm very happy, and so are they. I have proud Damzonians here with me. Elena is rank 53, May Ames postgraduate entrance exams, and Shreya is rank 65, May Ames postgraduate entrance exams. Heartiest congratulations, girls.
Thank you,
And they deserve a big round of applause for their achievement. It is amazing. So, how do you feel, girls?
I'm at the top of the world right now.
Congratulations.
The feeling still hasn't sunk in yet that I have managed a 65 rank, but yes, it's slowly sinking in.
I'm
Slowly.
sure it is overwhelming for you. And how about you, Elena?
I'm on cloud 9 at this point of time. Like I've come from nowhere to, like, I'm joining the Apex Institute of India.
Absolutely.
So it's
it has
like
to be something which you
it's
should
really
be
good
happy
feeling.
about.
Seriously.
Wonderful. And I'm so happy to see you guys smiling, but I also keep smiling. So it is amazing to have them here once again. Congratulations from the entire DAMS team. So both of them, Elena as well as Shreya, were our foundation students, and then they followed up with the test and discussion course. So Elena as well as Shreya, so one by one you can contribute. And how the foundation course, did you, once you attend the classes, how useful were they for you?
They were very useful, especially when you are doing your MBBS. Picking up books is really difficult. Once you need thoda orientation, and then you can go towards the books.
Yes.
So it's like you need DAMS ke notes. You need it. And then after my internship, I just read DAMS ke notes. They are more than sufficient. Just DAMS ke notes, my foundation wale DAMS ke notes. Plus, I attended TND. I added all the TND wale jo
Updates,
extra notes
exactly.
to my foundation courses wale notes. And then DVT. DVT is must. DVT is must for AIMS. That is the, matlab, DAMS is doing everything. You just have to grasp it. It's just DAMS. That's it.
That is so sweet of them, but they have put in a lot of hard work, and over these few months from their NEET ranks, which they weren't really very happy with it, and instead of sitting back and feeling sad about it, they decided to bounce back, and look how well they have done. So they deserve a lot of appreciation for the amount of persistence and hard work they've showed for this 5 months. And how about you, Shreya?
Ma'am, I think getting a rank, it's all dependent on the number of revisions you do. And that depends on I think it depends, for me at least, it depended on the last 1 month of preparation.
Okay.
Because frankly, you have to be on your the knowledge has to be on your spinal level while doing
As a
questions.
reflex, yes.
Because you don't have so much time to think, so it has to be spontaneous.
You have to be
the
very
answers.
thorough with it.
And that can be done only with revision. And for revision, you can't pick up the books.
That's very true.
There's so many books available right now, and
And
it's
they're more and
very
more.
appealing to go and read all those
Yes.
notes. Just they write that this has come in this in this paper, but you can't revise all. Not in the
true.
last 1 month, and that's why you need the notes.
So I think this is a very
questions are from DAMS ke foundation notes. Like, you focus on 80% of the question rather than focusing on 20% of the
something
question.
which is very important for
Yes.
all you students out there. See, medical science is very vast. There is no end to learning. So what we have to do is smart study.
That's true.
And we have to know what to study so that we hit most of the questions in the exam. And that's what these girls are trying to highlight for you. They're saying that you might start up with lengthy things, but then you realize that you can't really revise them, and your entire mehnat goes
Very
to zero.
true.
in vain.
Because you're blank before exam. Literally 1 month before the exam, I was blank. I was like, I don't even know the things I had remembered during my internship years. So revision is the main thing.
Yes.
And it comes only from the notes. It cannot books. You can't take the printed stuff anymore.
So I think people were asking us to, that we should ask the students that what about guidebooks and what about the mota textbooks?
They are useless. Ma'am, when I started my internship, I picked up all the mota textbook कि यार ये भी extra है, ये extra है इसमें, ये भी कर लेते, ये भी कर लेते, ये भी
I
कर
know.
लेते. And then mid of my internship, I was like कि यार मुझे तो कुछ याद ही नहीं है. I don't remember anything. And then like after my Pooth posting, which was very good, I picked up DAMS ke notes and 1.5 months of thorough revision, and then I managed 5,000. Okay, but yes, I managed. And
That
now
was a good rank
that
as
was
well.
It was
See-
fine. Matlab,
See,
at
we
least
had
those-
1 lakh plus students
Haan.
appearing. So you are not bad,
and
but
that
yes, you're
helped
not
me
up to your
now.
level.
That helped me now.
Exactly.
Like now, I knew everything. I knew DAMS ke notes. I just solved questions and all. So just DAMS ke notes.
Okay, wonderful. So that's what they're insisting on, that the theory is good here at DAMS, and we do a lot of effort as well to keep you guys updated, to give you the latest things, so that you know whatever comes up new once you're through with the foundation, you have that information as well. So now coming to the follow-up course, right, TND. So how useful were the question papers at DAMS?
Ma'am, the thing is, while doing the AIMS paper, you don't know all the questions, right?
Yes.
You have to use your basic knowledge.
Exactly.
And think then and there. And you have to rule out options. You have to do those things. And for that, you need practice. And that practice comes only through if you do questions.
That's
that
right.
was through TND. That was my only exposure of questions.
Okay.
I could not do the last year questions and all much.
In fact, I would say it is good that you didn't do them, because they add to a lot of confusion, and
Exactly.
right before the exams, you don't want to be confused.
And
right?
none of them are reliable. I
Yeah.
don't know how, which book was reliable, which had the right answer. There were so many controversial
Yes,
questions.
exactly.
And so you could follow up through the Facebook page also. It was all made very easy for us.
We are more than happy to be helping you guys out, and once you know you convert yourself into rankers, it's worth it, right? So that's great. And how did you find the test and discussion course?
They were very helpful. Like I completed my revision 2 weeks before.
So listen to her. She's talking about how to go about
Yes.
close to the exam, and which is
I
going to help all of
completed
you.
my revision 2 weeks before the examinations, and then those 2 weeks I just solved TND sare 19 subjects ke TND questions with
Very
the
good.
explanations.
Yes.
And I did AIMS ka review book also.
Okay.
But then those 2 weeks ka TND and AIMS की book पूरा syllabus cover हो गया था.
Right.
TND question paper पूरा syllabus, important questions सारा cover हो जाता है. तो TND is very helpful. Especially जो recent years के question होते हैं वो सारे TND में included होते हैं और उनके
Exactly.
सही answers होते हैं.
Exactly.
तो
So you don't have to really fetch things. That's what we
Seriously.
keep telling you people. But when it comes from rankers, you know, I'm sure you're going to rely on them more. And it sounds like they're people from you, and you know, and believe me, they have no motive but just to help their juniors here, and because they were helped by someone in a similar way, and they want to give it back. So please listen to them carefully, and you know, they're trying to make things simpler for you, for each one of you in your journey. Small things that you pick up from them might help you out, and you know, you could be in their position on the hot seat, right? That's great. Okay, and what about the Facebook club that we have? Do you use that, and do you find it useful?
I didn't know. I knew about the Facebook during my internship year, but I was not able to follow up. There was already so many things to
Yes.
follow. I could not. But then this year when I had time post my internship, I actually sat down and followed. Whatever doubt I had, I just typed. I did not even know that there was a Facebook group app.
Yeah.
I didn't know. I was that out of pace with everything. So I added that, and whatever small little doubt I had, I just would type that, and there were 10 questions asked by the faculty, asked by the students like me, and the faculty would have answered all of them, and it was really easy then to follow up and just
Yes.
add the right thing.
And
in
a
your
lot of
notes.
times, you know, we take the smallest doubts as doubts, and
That is true.
if the person's doubts still persist, we would supply the snapshots and
Yes,
authentic
yes,
answers
yes.
from textbooks, and you know, just to have that, you know, have faith, because we are
Yes.
going to give you everything from the standard textbooks. It's nothing that is our perspective, it's all from the book, just made it in a concise manner to help you clear your concepts and get you the high yielding information. Great. And they've already mentioned about the visual
Yes.
thing. So Shreya, do you want to add something about the club and the visual thing as well?
Elena.
Alena. Sorry, I get confused. So Shreya is the one sitting next to me, and Alena is here, right, Alena? So rank 53, right, Alena? Yes, tell me.
DVT, right? DVT was the most helpful part. All the visuals in AIMS, like 80% of the visuals were from DVT. If you have gone through the DVT, you can solve the visuals. And secondly, with DVT, उसके साथ थोड़े बहुत one-liners
One-liners were
are
the
included. So DVT is must. You have to revise DVT before giving your exams, and
And because a lot of time those one-liners are themselves options in
Options,
other
yes.
exams, maybe PGI, maybe NEET. Somewhere or the other, you need that
And
kind of
secondly,
information.
when you see visuals now, you can remember those stuffs
The
very
one-liners are
quickly.
Yes.
easier to
Like
remember.
I remember Mickey
They make
Mouse
more
sign
sense.
and all. And you can remember, हाँ अब तो ये है.
Right, great. And did you both give the mock test that we conducted before the AIMS?
I did not.
No,
I
she's-
was.
So Alena did. So
Yes.
Alena, how was the mock test?
It was basically I gave the test. I just checked my rank. I did not go through the explanation.
Okay.
That was a mistake which I did
But
because
did you find the questions useful?
questions were very useful. But yes, I should have revised those because when I came back,
There were
and
2-3 questions
Yes,
directly from
yes,
the mock paper.
Yes. And when I heard that, I was like, shit, yeah, I should have revised that. But yes, it did help me, boosted my confidence. And I was like, okay, ठीक है, कुछ तो हो जाएगा अपना.
Very
So
good.
that is really important. Practice करना is very important. So
Very good.
one has to give mock test and all.
So yes, that is what I was coming to. Close to the exams, they've been saying that they've been quite thorough with their notes and they've been, sort of revising it. And what about practicing questions? Did you give the grand test and the subject
Yes,
test?
before AIMS, I gave 2 or 3 grand tests.
Okay.
I gave AIMS ka mock test.
And you said you revised all the test papers
yes.
as well.
And I gave PGI ka mock test.
Okay.
PGI ka mock test, I got a really good rank. So I was
I
like,
hope you replicated in the real
I
exam
just
as
hope
well.
so. I just hope so. So because of that, I had confidence during AIMS exam.
Very
Like
good.
I gave it just 2 or 3 days. The results were out just 2 or 3 days before
Yes.
the AIMS exam, and I was like, okay, if I can get this much rank here,
Yeah.
I can do it in AIMS. So it's like a confidence booster for you.
Yes.
So you have to give these tests. You can know where you stand,
And it also does it help you to identify the weak areas? And
yes, it does. It does. It's like especially when you're reading ना, you can recall those questions. अच्छा हाँ ये तो DVT में ये तो mock में आया था. अच्छा इसका आंसर ये है. So that is
Right.
very helpful. So you have to keep on giving grand test and mock test.
Okay. So Shreya, something that you want to tell your juniors on just a small gist of that they can do it and how they can make it simpler, because a lot of times people get confused on what to do and how to do. So once they hear from toppers like you, they will have faith and
See, during internship, I'm talking about internship years, you'll have a lot of option. You'll have time, not much time maybe, depends on your college, but you'll have a lot of options. You'll have books, you'll have DAMS notes, you'll have DAMS TND notes. I would say the first 6 months should be spent on just putting everything together in just one place, because the last 1 month is the most crucial month.
Very
if you
true.
don't revise, it's no point of doing extensive studying for 8 months and not being able to revise in 1 month.
very true.
Because if you can't do that, it will not be in on the spinal level, and you won't be able to answer. And the feeling when you come back and you know you knew that answer and you could not answer, it's the worst feeling. So I would suggest that 6 months should be spent like you study and just put everything together, so that the last 1 month should be the easiest month. Just revision. Do
Yes.
not study anything
new. Very
Nothing new.
important. They're actually telling things which
You-
are very important,
you
and you will
can't
realize the
replicate.
importance of their words once you go through that phase.
You cannot replicate it during the exam. Even one day before studying. I did a lot of studying one day before, in spite of ma'am telling all of us that do not do it, it's of no use. But I know you just can't sit. You're so nervous, you just can't
Yes,
sit.
that's true.
But the best thing you can do is the last 1 month should be spent only and only on revision and nothing else. Nothing new. You have your TND notes. It's all written by you. You have your foundation notes, all handwritten by you. They are the easiest to learn. You get a lot of photocopies and all, but it's no.
It's
I
no
don't
use.
think it's
Till you
any
attend the
use.
class and understand the
Yes,
concepts, you can't
yes.
replicate it, So as they say that if you want to rank, you have to put in the hard work as
Yes,
well,
yes.
right?
Yes.
Great. Okay. And what is your piece of advice to your juniors?
Okay.
Elena.
I totally agree with Shreya. You should not pick up any new stuffs. नई चीज़ के पीछे भागने से कुछ नहीं होता. 80% जो आएगा वो तुम्हारा फाउंडेशन कोर्स से ही आएगा. So you just have to focus on that 80%. And I'm sure with that 80% you can बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हो. So it's just that, and जो भी नई चीज़ होती है वो आप जब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हो
तो
वो
मिल
आ
जाती
जाती
है.
है. So it's there's no point कि हाँ आप ढूंढ रहे हो या ये कर रहे हो.
Right.
Just go through your notes and solve questions में आ जाएंगी नई चीज़ें. उसके बारे में थोड़ा बहुत क्वेश्चन के पीछे explanation होता है, वो पढ़ लो बस. That's it.
So wonderful, girls. I wish God gives you many more reasons to keep smiling like this, and you keep spreading a lot of positivity around you. And I'm sure that they've given some very wise pieces of advice from their heart to their juniors, to each one of you. And they just want to say that if they can do it, you can do it as well. So, girls, once again, heartiest congratulations and good wishes from everyone at DAMS, your juniors, your colleagues, your faculty, and we wish you a bright future ahead. Thanks for being here. Say bye-bye now. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Bacha.